Today on 60-second favourites, we're going to be taking a look at the fan isolation switch from Click. So let's dive in and take a deeper look. Now, this is a great product from Click's range of wiring accessories. This is a 10 amp 3-pole fan isolation switch with a 3 amp fuse connection unit all in one faceplate. The reason we came up with this product is a lot of manufacturers for ventilation equipment aren't putting fuses in their equipment. This one is modular as standard, so what that means is you can switch any of these modules out for any others within the Minigrid range. So whether that's a key switch, retractive switch, it's up to you. All you need to do is pop out the modules in the faceplate and secure with a single screw fixing. This product and all of our other molded plastic ranges such as Mode, Polar and Part M are antimicrobial certified, which means it kills 99.9% of diseases and bacteria. This product is also available within different ranges that we offer here at Click, such as Deco Plus, Deco, Define and Definity, in a variety of different finishes to suit any installation. If you want to see more from us here at Click, please check out the website at Scolmore.com. We'll put a link in the description. And if you want to see more 60-second favourite videos, please remember to like, subscribe and hit the notification button below.